Hi, this is Jeff Casey from JG Ranch, here with Florida Adventure Coast. Blackberry season starts mid-April, runs to the end of May. The best time to get out here is the first 3 weekends in May. We're here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 9 to 4, as long as it's not raining and lightning. Blackberries start out as green, they're about 3 weeks out. Then they're light pink for 2 weeks, dark red, they're a week out. And then when blackberries turn black, they're just ready to eat.
This is our first time at JG Ranch. Jeff has been an awesome host. We're out here blackberry picking. My daughter is loving every bit of it, although I think she's eating more than she's picking. And it's a great family fun activity.
To get more information, just follow us on social media, check out our website here at JG Ranch, and remember, always 1 in the mouth and 3 in the bucket. Good.